So we went to the Asian store and we got some rambutan. So rambutan is Chance's favorite. Right? And Grandpa in Philippines have a lot of rambutans. But we don't have it in here, so we just buy in the Asian store and see.
It's so big! It's that.
And what else did we got in the Asian store?
There's
What
a lot
else?
of stuff in here.
Oh, who likes that one in the family?
Daddy!
Yep, Bobby likes it. It's a vegan. This is a vegan meat. It's like a jerky for. Here's your rambutan, Chance. It's like a jerky for vegans. So let's try to open it.
Yeah. They're not like, they're little tiny
But this one is made from tofu, I think. So they're like this.
They're made with tofu.
They're like
They're
jerky.
spicy.
And they're like that. They're kind of spicy. Yep, they're spicy and Daddy likes them. And what else do we have, Wiwu?
We have this tofu.
Oh, that's the one. This one is Wiwu's favorite and Mama's favorite too. So this is from Thailand, I think. See, product of Thailand. So it's really from Thailand. And let's try to open it up.
Let's see what it looks like.
Ooh, look at that.
And it's a crunchy too. See, listen to the sound.
It's a seaweed.
My favorite flavor is spicy. What's the one with the green pepper on it? Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. That's not
So they're
my
like
favorite.
this. And they're so good.
And this is my favorite too. So.
Mhm.
If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe down below.
So what else did we got from in there?
This one, of course,
Oh.
from Philippines.
So this one is from Philippines too. It's cornix. It's a cornic. And bawang is garlic. So it's garlic flavor because
Mom, I get.
And what do you remember from this? We have one video of this last time.
If you didn't see that video, there was
Yeah,
all the stuff that we got from Philippines.
Filipino store.
And this boy was young. Right, Jim? I was 4.
So we got it from the Filipino
you
store the last time. But right now we went to Viet Hua. It's a Vietnam store. And it's the biggest Asian store here in Louisville. So we got 2 of that, right? 2 of it. But why Daddy doesn't want it?
Because he thinks our breath smells like dragons.
Yeah, he said it. If you eat that, you're gonna have like a dragon breath. What else do we want? That's another Wiwu's favorite. Their drink. You and your daddy likes that, right?
This is Thai tea from Thailand.
So this one is Thai tea. In Thailand, it's called chayin. But they like this one. It's Thai tea. It's tea mixed with milk. So that's what it is, and it's colored orange.
Mom?
It's very popular drink in Thailand too. And what's next?
Rainbow time. This is.
So Chancey likes really rambutan, so he's eating it.
And Nazones.
Oh! I tried this the last time we went to when we went to the Asian store. And this Indomie.
Oh,
And it's from Indonesia.
Oh, yeah, boy. I got 3.
And it's good. I like Indomie. I've been seeing a lot of posts of them eating, so I tried it and it's good. And Chancey likes the Philippine version, right?
But since I got 3 of these
What's that?
noodles,
What's called-
Panchangon, but I got 3.
Canton.
Canton is 3. I got
Yeah,
three.
you got 3. Because he likes it.
And I got pancit chicken. What is it?
Canton.
Canton, and I got the spicy flavor.
Hey, somebody farted.
All that we have.
So that's everything that we have. Look. And we're like every time we go there, we sit down and have fiesta. Right, Tati? We eat whatever we can eat.
And today's hot, so yeah, we have some powder of the Thai tea too.
Yep. Your daddy likes Thai tea, right?
And
That's
if we
why.
don't have the canned ones, we just get the powder.
Mix.
Yeah, the mix that we
And
have.
then mix it with
Milk and condensed.
sweet condensed milk.
I know regular milk too.
Just water,
Oh.
tea, and condensed milk. So now we are enjoying eating, right, Ate?
Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and share. Bye. See you next time. And I hope you like. If you haven't seen all of this stuff, go try it.
Yeah, and they're good, especially this.
The sea. You can get
seaweed.
You can get the fish crackers that have seaweed on top of it. That's the one that you have to start with. And then you start with the...
Or you can use it to wrap your
What?
sushi.
Sushi. Well, this one has flavor.
Okay, say bye.
Bye!